live in the dark. What if one night you see light? I'm so afraid. Oh, maybe there's a monster in the kitchen. A monster in the bathroom. Monsters everywhere I go. Ah! Don't be frightened. Understand? It's all just in your head. Lolo sat in his chair and spoke his mind. If a tikbalang knocks on the door, be not afraid. He is your guest. Offer him tea and hay to freshen his breath. If a tiyanak comes growing, don't cry from fright. Just teach him to speak and bring him to life. If a tick-tick lands on your roof, there's no need to hide. Borrow her tongue and borrow the light. If you see a culprit, just bring out a jar of sweet melon candy and he'll pump his cigar. If you meet a manananggal, smile and be at your best. Whip out the needle and thread and start a sewing contest. When you're taking a bath, don't shiver with fear. When a chocolate shows up, just splash him with cheer. Splash him with cheer. If you spat a multo, play tag and beat it. But don't feel cheated when he can't be hit. When an aswang shows up to party, it's okie dokie. While she's adding them up, she loves to karaoke. And when bebang becomes bantay, let the neighbors hop on and fly. If Pomiskis wanders in, let the kitchen solve your jitters. Feed him sweets like ice cream, gum and banana fritters. If a noodle lives in your garden, never cross his path. Show some respect, lest you be cursed and feel his wrath. So sorry, I'm just passing through. And what would you offer, Lola, when he tells you his rhymes? Your favorite fruit and tea, of course. That's right, because I took a long time. Lola, I love how you take care of me. Good night, Sophia. Good night, Lola Nandi. Children, when you see these creatures, don't be afraid.